We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you the most comprehensive and detailed overview of the STANLEY the Camp Pour Over set. If you own this item, please consider leaving your own review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. The STANLEY the Camp Pour Over set stands out as a highly regarded manual coffee brewing solution, tailored for those who appreciate both quality and convenience, whether at home, in the office, or outdoors. This product is designed by STANLEY, a brand with a legacy dating back to 1913, known for its rugged and durable gear. The Camp Pour Overset is marketed as a traditional way to brew coffee using a stainless steel filter, offering a sustainable and environmentally friendly alternative to single-use paper filters and plastic pods. With a customer rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars from over 4,300 reviews, it ranks as one of the top pour-over coffee makers available. The core appeal of the STANLEY Camp Pour Over set lies in its simplicity and effectiveness. The brewing process is straightforward. Add ground coffee to the stainless steel filter, place it atop your mug, pour in hot water, and allow the coffee to drip through. The result is a cup of coffee that, according to users, often surpasses the flavor and aroma of machine-brewed or pod-based alternatives. The stainless steel filter is a key feature, as it allows the natural oils and subtle flavors of the coffee grounds to pass through without being absorbed or altered, delivering a richer and more nuanced cup. Durability is a recurring theme in user feedback. Unlike plastic or glass alternatives, the all-metal construction of the STANLEY set ensures it can withstand the rigors of daily use and the occasional bumps and drops that come with outdoor activities. Many users highlight that, with proper care, the set remains free from stains and retains its performance over time. The stainless steel filter is not only robust but also easy to clean. Most reviewers recommend rinsing it immediately after use with hot water, which helps maintain the flavor profile and prevents buildup. Some even liken the process to seasoning a cast iron skillet, noting that the filter seems to improve with regular use as coffee oils accumulate, enhancing the taste of each subsequent brew. The set's portability is another major advantage. Its compact size and lightweight design make it ideal for camping, hiking, traveling, or simply brewing a fresh cup at your work desk. The included mug is designed to work seamlessly with the pour-over filter, but users report that the filter can be used with a variety of other mugs as well, adding to its versatility. The metallic exterior finish and minimalist aesthetic appeal to those who value both function and style in their gear. Performance-wise, the STANLEY Camp Pour Over set consistently receives praise for the quality of coffee it produces. Users describe the flavor as robust, clean, and free from the bitterness or metallic aftertaste sometimes associated with stainless steel products. Even self-described coffee snobs and those accustomed to more elaborate brewing methods, such as French press or specialty machines, express satisfaction with the results. The absence of paper filters not only reduces waste, but also eliminates the papery taste that can sometimes affect the final cup. Several reviewers share practical tips for maximizing the product's performance. Preheating the carafe and mug with hot water helps retain heat and enhances the extraction of flavors and aromas. Experimenting with different grind sizes can yield a more complex flavor profile, and combining various grinds, such as drip, cone, and espresso, can optimize water flow and taste. The brewing process itself is described as meditative and rewarding, though it does require a few minutes of attention. This is not a product for those rushing out the door in the morning, but rather for individuals who enjoy the ritual of making coffee and savoring each cup. Ease of cleaning is frequently mentioned as a strong point. The filter can be quickly rinsed and reused, saving money on disposable filters and reducing environmental impact. Some users note that the filter is best cleaned immediately after use to prevent coffee grounds from drying and sticking, which can make cleaning more difficult. The set's durability also extends to its resistance to staining, a common issue with cloth or mesh filters. The STANLEY Camp Pour Over set is also praised for its adaptability. While designed with outdoor use in mind, it performs equally well in a home or office setting. Its manual operation means it requires no electricity, making it ideal for situations where power is unavailable or unreliable. This makes it especially popular among campers, travelers, and those who value self-sufficiency. Customer service and warranty support from STANLEY receive positive mentions. The company's lifetime warranty and reputation for replacing parts rather than requiring the purchase of a whole new set instill confidence in buyers. This commitment to quality and customer satisfaction is a significant factor for many users, especially those who invest in gear for long-term use. Despite its many strengths, the STANLEY Camp pour-over set is not without minor drawbacks. Some users note that the brewing process can be slower compared to automatic machines, particularly if you are making multiple cups. The manual nature of the pour-over method requires attention and patience, which may not suit everyone's lifestyle. A few reviewers mentioned that if not cleaned promptly, the filter can become clogged or develop residual flavors. However, these issues are generally considered minor and easily managed with proper care. Another consideration is the learning curve associated with pour-over brewing. Achieving the perfect cup may require some experimentation with grind size, water temperature, and pouring technique. However, many users find this process enjoyable and appreciate the control it gives them over the final result. The lack of reliance on electricity or disposable components is seen as a significant benefit, both for the environment and for those seeking a more authentic coffee experience. Aesthetic preferences also come into play. Some users initially hesitated to purchase STANLEY products due to their association with large, bulky drinkware. However, the Camp pour-over set's design is described as sleek, functional, and pleasing to the eye. The set's compatibility with a range of mugs and its compact footprint make it suitable for a variety of settings, from rustic campsites to modern kitchens. In terms of value, the STANLEY Camp pour-over set is considered a worthwhile investment. While it may be priced higher than some plastic or single-use alternatives, its durability, performance, and lifetime warranty justify the cost for most users. The ability to brew high-quality coffee without recurring expenses for filters or pods is a major selling point. Many reviewers express satisfaction with their purchase, noting that it has become an essential part of their daily routine. For those concerned about taste, it is worth noting that the stainless steel filter does not impart a metallic flavor to the coffee, a common complaint with some metal brewing devices. Instead, the coffee retains its natural characteristics with a clean finish and pronounced aroma. The set is also effective at preventing grounds from seeping into the cup, provided the correct grind size is used. The STANLEY Camp pour-over set is particularly well suited for individuals who value quality, sustainability, and versatility in their coffee-making equipment. Its robust construction, ease of use, and consistent performance make it a favorite among outdoor enthusiasts, office workers, and home brewers alike. The positive feedback from a diverse range of users underscores its broad appeal and reliability. In summary, the STANLEY Camp pour-over set delivers on its promise of providing a traditional, high-quality coffee brewing experience in a portable and durable package. Its stainless steel construction ensures longevity, while the reusable filter offers both environmental and economic benefits. The set is easy to use, clean, and maintain, making it a practical choice for anyone seeking a reliable manual coffee maker. While it may require a bit more time and attention than automatic machines, the reward is a superior cup of coffee that reflects the care and craftsmanship of the brewing process. If you are looking for a coffee maker that combines performance, durability, and sustainability, the STANLEY Camp pour-over set is a standout option. Remember to check the link in the description to learn more or to purchase, and please leave your own review if you have experience with this product to help others in the community.